It being barely 2 months before the country marks 1 year since the deadly June 25th anti-government demonstrations that saw a number of Kenyan youth shot dead within the presence of Parliament, Amnesty International has raised concerns over delayed justice a day after an expose by BBC laid bare the chilling details of how protesters were shot and killed.
Despite promises by the highest levels of government, state institutions that are mandated to uphold transparency, accountability, and the rule of law have not led to the arrest and the prosecution of those responsible for nearly 1 year now since protesters were killed within the Parliament premises.
Despite IPOA releasing a statement on the status of investigations following the expose, with investigations into 22 of the 60 reported killings completed, Amnesty International lamented over this silence from the Office of Director of Public Prosecutions, calling for the ODPP to release a status report on the investigations and prosecutions on the happenings of June 25th, amid cries of delayed justice.
We also call on the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to urgently release a statement on the status and the progress of prosecutions currently underway related to the 25th of June protests. The Kenyan public deserves demonstrable evidence that those who have committed serious crimes are being held accountable.
With rising public uproar, the Ministry of Interior weighed in on the matter, taking a swipe at those decrying laxity in investigations and coming to the defense of the country's security and investigative apparatus. The tweet reads, "In this world, many only talk about it, while others do something about it, and our agencies are definitely doing something. While the public concern for justice is valid, Kenya is guided by established criminal procedures. The court of public opinion or media bias is no substitute for the legal process." Despite BBC noting that they reached out to the government for comment but got no response, government spokesperson Isaac Mwaura dismissed the expose as biased, lamenting why the government was not accorded a fair hearing.
Mheshimiwa Rais hakupewa nafasi ya kuzungumza vizuri. Kwa hivyo inaegemea upande moja na inaonekana pengine kuna nadharia fulani ambayo ilikuwa inajaribu kusisitiziwa na chombo kile cha habari.
The opposition led by Kalonzo Musyoka and ousted DP Rigathi Gachagua have also come out guns blazing, blaming President William Ruto for ordering the killing of protesters. The outfit has cautioned the head of state against continued oppression of citizens, raising concerns over the lack of proper investigations and bringing to book perpetrators of the rampant shooting and killing of protesters. As the country prepares for this year's finance bill, Amnesty International has called on the government to listen to Kenyans by reducing wastage. The lobby group also called on the National Assembly not to pass the Assembly and Demonstrations Bill, which seeks to limit protesters. Ian Kitani for K24 Evening Edition.